Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Amazon.com Inc. Full guide step by step clearly. To successfully scale your business with Amazon.com Inc., start by understanding its vast ecosystem. Research the different selling platforms Amazon offers, such as Seller Central and Vendor Central. Choose the right sales model for your business, whether you want to sell as a third-party seller or through first-party retail. Create a professional seller account on Amazon Seller Central if you decide to go the third-party route. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable product niches. Utilize tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for in-depth product analysis. Evaluate your competition to determine pricing strategies and market entry points. Source your products from reliable suppliers or manufacturers to ensure quality. Implement effective inventory management systems to keep track of stock levels. Utilize Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, to handle logistics and shipping efficiently. Diligently optimize your product listings with high-quality images, clear descriptions, and relevant keywords. Incorporate Amazon SEO best practices to improve the visibility of your listings. Run effective marketing campaigns, such as Amazon PPC, to increase product exposure. Monitor your advertising performance and adjust bids based on metrics like ACOS, advertising cost of sale. Encourage customer reviews to build social proof and enhance your product credibility. Engage with buyers through responsive customer service and timely communication. Consider expanding your product range once your initial offerings are successful. Utilize Amazon's global selling program to reach international customers. Keep up with Amazon's policy changes to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. Track and analyze key performance metrics regularly to optimize your operations. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Invest in continuous learning about Amazon's tools and resources. Leverage external channels, like social media, to drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Experiment with various promotional strategies to identify what works best for your brand. Focus on building a strong brand presence on Amazon to foster customer loyalty. Review your overall strategy periodically to ensure sustainable growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.